With New Year celebrations approaching, Karnataka Home Minister Dr. G. Parmeshwara reviewed the city's security preparedness during a meeting with senior police officials at the Bengaluru City Police Commissioner's office. The review focused on bandobast arrangements, crowd management, and preventive steps to ensure peaceful celebrations. After the meeting, Dr. Parameshwara informed the media that 20,000 police personnel will be deployed across Bengaluru. The force includes 14,000 law and order police, 2,500 traffic police, 88 KSRP platoons, and 21 car units. Patrolling will be strengthened using 266 Hoysla vehicles and 250 Cheetah vehicles, supported by Home Guards, civil defense personnel, and 400 traffic wardens. Based on previous years' experience, high footfall areas such as MG Road, Brigade Road, Indiranagar, Koramangala, and Niladri Road in Electronic City have been identified. While over 8 lakh people participated in last year's celebrations, the turnout is expected to exceed 10 lakh this year. To regulate crowds, police will deploy water jets when required, set up watchtowers, and install focus lights at 180 locations. Surveillance will be enhanced through temporary CCTV cameras at 250 locations and drone monitoring. Ambulances and safety shelters will be stationed at strategic points. Special emphasis has been placed on women's safety. Bars, restaurants, and malls have been issued strict guidelines, and the DGP has released a 15-point advisory. Anti-terror measures have also been strengthened with AI-enabled facial recognition cameras to track criminal suspects. Special transport arrangements have been made at 8 locations, while drunk driving drives over the last 5 days resulted in 2,854 cases. The Home Minister urged citizens to cooperate and celebrate responsibly.